Welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you change your personal Instagram account into creator account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application, and after opening the application, navigate to your profile by clicking this profile button into the bottom right corner. Step 2. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Now after coming to your profile, just click into these three bars into the top right corner. And after clicking there, just simply go to Settings and Privacy. And now after opening the Settings and Privacy option, just scroll a bit and you will find this option Account Type and Tools. You just simply have to tap there. Step 3. Click to Switch Personal Account. Now after coming to Account Type and Tools, just simply click to Switch to Professional Account option. And after clicking there, just simply continue all four process here. Now you just simply have to describe about your account. And after choosing your account description, just click to this blue Done button. And then you have to choose either you want to change this account to business account or creator account. Simply click to what you want to change this account and click to this next button. After this, Instagram will give you the option to share logins using Account Center. Click to continue if you want to share logins. If not, just click to Not Now option here. After this, you can customize your professional account in these 7 steps here. Just simply click to this Complete Your Profile button. After doing this and clicking to the blue tick button into the top right corner, your account will successfully be changed into professional creator account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.